Today we're going to make a very simple dish called egg fried rice. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you like my videos. So now let's go and see how to make this easy peasy, easy egg fried rice, which you can also order from the takeaway. But mine is my own version, so let's see how it goes. Here are the basic ingredients for fried rice. I always like to use shallots rather than onion because it's sweeter. And of course, I like garlic a lot, so I use garlic. And I have spring onion, which is for garnishing. And I have 2 eggs. And I also like to add vegetables. You can add whatever vegetables you want. And this time I'm using frozen mixed vegetables and I chop it up a bit, especially the long pieces. Overnight rice. This is cooked rice. I use a mixture of jasmine rice and normal long grain rice. This is the sesame oil, and this is the soy sauce, and this is the dark soy sauce, and you have salt and pepper. So these are all the basics. Okay, we put a tablespoon of cooking oil. We add in the sliced shallots, then we give it a stir. So when it's a bit light colored, you add in your chopped garlic and you fry. So now it's lightly brown, so we're going to add in the vegetables. Give it a toss. Put the flame higher. Then we add in the rice, which I have separated so that they are not in lumps. And we give it a good stir. Toss the rice about. Add in the dark soy sauce and the light soy sauce. Give it a good stir so that the soy sauce and the color is well combined. Once the color is even, push the rice to one side of the wok. Add in 2 teaspoons of the oil and crack the 2 eggs. Give the eggs a bit of a stir to mix up the yolk and the whites. Let it set for a few seconds. Then add in a swirl of the soy sauce and a few dashes of white pepper powder. Mix it a bit and let it set to about 3/4 done. Then flip the egg over. Continue to let the egg set. Then mix and break the eggs and combine with the rice thoroughly, making sure that there are no lumps. Continue to stir and mix the rice. Adjust the seasoning by adding more soy sauce or salt and pepper. Add a swirl of the sesame oil. I always like to finish the fried rice with a handful of chopped spring onions. Then dish it out and serve it with cut chili or sambal, and I think the best is to serve with ketchup. So this is my fried rice, and I like to eat it together with ketchup, and I think it tastes very well with ketchup, so I'm going to put a bit here. It's good. And then let's try. It's really good. It's good by itself. But if you add in ketchup, I prefer ketchup. You can add in cut chilies or whatever, but I still prefer ketchup. So this is a very easy way of making egg fried rice. So until the next time and until the next round, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And I'd like to thank you very much. And also, if you are wondering why I have this funny hat or attire on my head, well, it's because I have a bad hair day. My hair perm didn't go well, so I've got to hide it. So that's me. Bye. Bye for now. See you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.